Hey everybody, this is Mover and Shaker. Today I wanted to talk about how you can save a ton of money on ink cartridges. And these are brand name ink cartridges that are expired. And yes, I did say expired. Now, I wrote down some numbers on a piece of paper because I wanted to show you the difference in price between a brand new ink cartridge and the brand I'm going to use an example of is HP. So as you know, at the office supply stores and places like Best Buy, you can buy ink cartridges, even in Target and Walmart. And typically the brand new ink cartridges are pretty high price, especially if you're buying the ink cartridge that is made by the manufacturer of the printer. In my particular example, I use HP printers, and so as you may or may not know, with HP cartridges, they always have a standard ink cartridge and an XL. And XL simply means it lasts longer, and I've always bought XL. So the examples of the prices I'm going to show you today are XL prices. So just starting out, I have a 920 XL, which is a black ink cartridge. This ink cartridge typically sells for $48 brand new. Now, why would you pay $48? You don't need to. That's my point. This particular ink cartridge is brand new, still sealed, and it is expired in February of 2015. And I purchased this off of eBay, but there are other places online that sell expired ink cartridges. I just want to assure you that I've been using expired ink cartridges for years, and I've never had a problem with expired ink cartridges. What I have had a problem with is when I purchased, let's say, Office Depot ink cartridges that were filled by Office Depot. Those ink cartridges don't usually work at all. That's how I got into purchasing expired ink cartridges, because I just could not justify spending $45 and then you always have to go and buy the red and the blue and the yellow. So by the time you're done, it's almost $100 bill, and I'm just not going to pay that. So that's how it all started for me. So I just want to give you a price example. This would typically be $48, and then you have your yellow cartridge, and the blue is typically called cyan, and the pink is called magenta. And so I just want to show you what these three would cost you if you bought these at a retail right now. They would be about $20.89 each, brand new. Heck no, I'm not going to pay that. You can get a yellow cartridge right now online for $5.49. It's expired. But let me just tell you, it will work. If you want to buy 3 of these right now online, expired, the price could be as low as $9.95. I just saw a set of 3 online that expired in 2015 for $9.95. Now, why would you pay $62 to $63 for this when for $9.95 you can buy all 3 expired? And then let's say, for example, you wanted to buy this whole set brand new in the store. This would be $82.59 at Staples, and I'm sure not far from that price at Office Max or Office Depot. You can get this online right now, this whole set, for $24.98. And the price fluctuates, you know, depending on who's selling what, but a lot of people sell their expired cartridges when they get rid of printers and upgrade to new printers. It doesn't really matter the reason, and they don't even have to be sealed. I want you to know I've purchased expired ink cartridges that weren't completely sealed, and they've worked completely fine. So basically, the moral of this story is, if you have a printer and you want to save money, go online. I'm recommending eBay because they're all over the place on eBay. And I'm recommending that you type in your manufacturer ink cartridge and the number that you would typically look up, and just take a look and see all the different varieties. You can buy these by themselves. You can buy these together, like the colors together. You can buy the blacks by themselves, or you can buy them all as a set. The prices are so low, you'll probably have the hardest decision deciding which bargain to buy more than anything else. But I just wanted to let you guys know that today, because it's saved me money for years, and there is no reason why you should spend hundreds of dollars on ink cartridges. Most of my printing is done with shipping labels and occasional emails that I like to print out. I don't do a lot of high volume printing like some people might, but overall, whether you do it just every now and then or you do it on a regular basis, or if you're a heavy printer, expired ink cartridges do work and they're the way to go. Thank you.